Hi guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing video today. My granddaughter Bailey has a birthday coming up soon, and we're going to unbox the gifts that we're going to ship down to her, and then after I unbox them, we're going to rebox them and send them down to Florida. So let's see what we have. I honestly don't know everything that's in here, so it's going to be as much a surprise to me as it is to them. Alright, let's get this thing open real quick and see what we have inside. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. The lighting is not very good today. And we'll just see what we see. Okay. This way so I can look at it a little better. And let's see. Now, there's a bit of a tradition in this family that even though it's Bailey's birthday, her sister's going to get a little something also, just so they don't feel left out. And let's see what we have. First thing is glazed candy kettle corn. Looks like that's going to be tasty. So there's a couple bags of those, so they won't have to fight over the kennel corn. They'll each have their own bag. Okay, what else do we have in here? And it looks like we have a couple of packs of Smarties. And it looks like there are a lot of Smarties in there, so that should be fun. And what else do we have? Yeah, it looks like we have some, I believe these are called barrettes for your hair. There's 2 cards, 2 on each card. I hope you can see these pretty well, I'm not sure. And what else do we have in this box? And we have, oh no, jars of slime. So everybody loves slime, right? Looks like 4 jars of slime. Sounds like things are going to get messy down in Florida. And there's number 4. Excuse me for 1 second while I change to a stronger magnification so I can actually read some of this stuff. What else do we have? It looks like we have some bubble gum sprinkled around in there, several pieces of bubble gum. That should be fun as well. And what else do we have here? And this, I'm not sure what's in here. Let's see. Here we go. Looks like a couple of paper flowers. Excuse my shaking hand. I had a lot of coffee this morning. I'll put these right back in there so I don't destroy them. Okay, let's put them back in their little tube. Candy, and more candy. We've got some Lindor white chocolate truffles. That looks like yummy, yummy. And we also have Kinder chocolate wafer bars. Put a couple of those in there as well. That looks like that's going to be good too. And what else do we have? Big giant bag of Swedish fish. Swedish fish minis, actually. This is one of Nanny's favorite candies, and I believe the girls like it as well. And one more. And what else do we have? A bunch more bubble gum. Let's see what's that. There's all that. And what else do we have? Okay. Peace, Love, and Vibes pouch. Little zipper pouch. I guess you could probably put your makeup or your crayons or your art supplies, something like that. Nice zipper action on there. And it has a little smiley face on the front. Pretty cool. Oops, now I can't get it back in the holder. Okay. Still more to go. Even more bubble gum. And I believe this is presents that Bailey actually requested. It looks like a cat mask. Let me see if I can take it out a little bit real quick to see what it looks like. Without it, here my fingers will be the eyeballs. There's the cat mask. Okay. I will try it on, but it probably won't fit on my head. Put that back in its little wrapper. Okay, what else do we have? More cat stuff. I think this looks like it may be a tail. Perhaps a tail. Yeah, that's the tail, that's a tail. Let's see how this has a little clip on it. Let's see what this does. Okay. I don't know if you can see that, I think. There we go. It's big enough you could wear it as a stole. There you go. Nice little kitty, nice little kitty. And that's that. And what else do we have? And it looks like kitty cat paw mittens to go along with the rest of the ensemble. Pretty cool. All kinds of good stuff in there. See if I can get this back off. Okay, there we go. And what else? I think there might be one more thing in here somewhere. Kitty cat. And what is left in the bottom of the box? Okay. I believe this should be our stone rings. Well, it's in a pouch. It's in a nice little pouch. Okay. So, comes in a little pouch. Hope you can see that. And there's you can see that. Not sure which is which. Let me see if I can get closer up here so you can get somewhat of a look at it. And there's that. Hopefully it's in focus. I can't really tell. And here's another one. I guess one is Bailey and one must be Riley. Riley is Bailey's bigger sister. So let's see what this looks like. And it looks like they have a little something to explain what the jewelry is. And they actually have a little bit of a, looks like a little cleaning cloth in the box to help you keep them nice and clean. So there's this one. Okay, so again, let's see if we can get that in focus. I honestly can't tell. Maybe if I cover my face, it'll focus on that. So there you go. 2 rings. And that appears to be everything. Quite a little haul there. Lots of goodies. And I'm not going to go through reboxing all this on camera. I will do that after the fact. And I hope Bailey enjoys her gifts, and I hope Riley enjoys hers as well, because there's just something for both. And there goes the box on the floor. Anyway, as always, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're not going to rebox everything at this time. I'm going to just say goodbye. Everybody have a good day. And happy upcoming birthday, Bailey. You will see all this goodies for real very soon. Love you both. Hope Florida weather is better than what we're having here. Bye now.